Lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes.
Good morning,
So it's
guys.
just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't made a vlog video in such a long time. So today I'm just going to spend my entire day with you and show you what is it that I've been doing during this quarantine. I feel like this lockdown is just never ending. So I'm going to share my entire day with you, show you what is it that I do. My life hasn't really changed that much because I anyway always work from home. But my team doesn't come anymore and my husband stays at home. So some things have changed. So I'm going to share the entire day. I hope you stick around and let's begin.
When spring is coming, where are you now?
Sorry for all the echo, I'm in the washroom. But as you guys can see, I have a lot of acne right now. I actually started using this one, the chia seed range from Face Shop, and it was so bad, like it broke me out so badly that I have never had pimple in my life and I am now struggling with that. Thankfully I have this one. This is Wow's foaming face wash aloe vera thing, which seems to be working really well. Like this has really calmed it down. There was a point where I had such terrible pimples, so I'm starting off my day by using this every day now.
I hope you're fine, but I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You had to go. I will save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming.
So I just took a shower and just came back to my office to start working on everything that I have to do today. I also want to talk about something super interesting. Okay, this is like super interesting. It was just a random idea that came to my head. So I have all these sponsors who come and sponsor my videos, right? So today's sponsor is someone really special because today's sponsor is me. I am sponsoring my own video. I know it sounds really crazy and it sounds wacky, but hear me out. So as a part of this lockdown, like I really challenged myself to get productive and actually start working on my long time dream projects, and I have finally launched my own online course. course. I'm so happy to announce this on YouTube. I made an announcement about this on Instagram just about a couple of days back, and I am so happy to finally share this with all of you on YouTube as well. This course is basically meant for people who don't know what their side hustle should be, and it really helps them discover their side hustle as well as make their side hustle their full-time career in exactly 1 year from their starting day. So the academy is a 1 year course. I work with them every single day throughout this year, solving all their questions, all their doubts, and there are these modules and videos, lectures, and everything that I've created. So hold on, let me just give you a quick tour. So this is the academy. As soon as you enter, there are 3 courses. There's the foundation, there's office hour calls, and there's how to launch your own online course. The foundation is basically the foundations of business, everything that you need to cover at the beginning to make sure that you get your concepts right. So when you click on this, this whole course sort of opens up, and it's paused at a really random screenshot, but there are all these videos and modules and sub modules that I've created that you can actually just click on any of these and start watching and learning. And
Hey guys, welcome to the second.
and then with every video there are these kind of documents and resources and books and everything that I've created. This one's all about building your social media plan. So every video comes with an important learning that together forms a part of this course. And then every month one new course will also be added in the academy. So it's not just one course that you get, but you actually end up getting one course plus 12 other courses every month, so 13 courses. And I have just launched this and I'm so excited about it. As soon as I launched this, the response and the feedback and everything that came from the Instagram community was so good and it was so heartwarming. We already have about 600 students who've joined this academy, and I'm working with every single one of them, making sure that all of their doubts are solved and they are going through this course, learning and starting their own side hustle. We've also created a Facebook community where people can ask each other questions and get help from each other. So all the 600 people are like a batch of college, and everyone's like really helping each other out. And yeah, just a community of people who don't want to live a mediocre life, people who want to live beyond just a standard 9 to 5 job. And this academy is just that, and I'm so happy that this is a long-term dream that I had. I think I've been meaning to launch my own course for 2 years now, and it's finally live. So I've really been productive in this lockdown, and I'm so happy about it. If you'd like to join this academy and if you're interested in joining, I would leave a link in the description box below. Along with that, I will also leave a code that will give you 10% off on this academy just as a special gift for my YouTube community. And yeah, that's all that I wanted to share about today's sponsor. That's me. It sounds so cool to say that I've sponsored my own video, but yeah, that's what it is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and continue working with my students, making sure that all of their questions are answered. So every day in the morning, so my morning hours are spent on making sure that I give them tasks for the day, assignments, activities, things that they can do, and just taking updates from them, answering their queries. That's what I do in the morning, and that's what I'm just going to do.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes.
The weather has suddenly changed and it's starting to rain. Let me show you the view outside.
And I tell myself,
You see, everything's moving.
you'll be back again.
Bangalore truly has the best weather, guys. It has been raining, like the entire country is facing so much heat right now, and it has been raining so beautifully almost every single day in Bangalore, and it's just, oh my god, I cannot get enough of this weather. Can you believe this is 2 in the afternoon? Like, can you see how dark it is? It's madness. It's raining like crazy. Anyway, so whenever I get bored of sitting and working in one area, I shift to a different location. Just makes me feel like I can work for some more hours again. So I shifted from my office to my bedroom. I'll quickly show you what my bedroom looks like. That is where the dressing table is, and this is just a normal stool, and then there are these windows, and this is my bed, and my laptop is there, and my phone is there, and that's it. That's all that I have in my bedroom. Minimalism at its best always. And yeah, now I am just going to go back to work.
When lights go out, you're in my mind.
Hey guys, so I just got done with all the work and it finally stopped raining as well. So now I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to go and make some dinner for me. So I've already made dal, so dal is ready and I am going to start making some sabzi. I actually wanted to, share some things with you guys as a part of everything that's happening in the world. A lot of people get the sense that, YouTubers are actually doing pretty well in the COVID-19 scenario because everyone has a lot of free time and everyone's watching content on YouTube and things are just nice for us right now. But I want to be honest here because in the past I've shared my income with all of you and I've shared the kind of money that I make so openly. So it's also really important. I think we just had a power cut. Okay, so it's also important for me to come and share with you about what's not working out right now. So the two main places in which a YouTuber makes money is the ads that are shown on YouTube, so the AdSense revenue, and then we also have the brands that come to us. So the AdSense revenue itself has gone to absolute zero right now. Like, it's not working because ad rates have gone down. Companies are not marketing on YouTube, the ads are not getting shown. You would have seen that lot less ads are coming up on our videos, so we're not making any money by making any kind of videos on YouTube, like from an ad perspective. But at the same time, even brand deals and everything have come down because if nobody's buying anything and if the economy is in a recession, obviously brands are not looking to market anything right now. So marketing is the first place where they cut their expenses out. So yeah, my two main sources of income don't really exist right now. So the good thing is, of course, I have my emergency fund and I have my savings, and thankfully because of this community, so many of you signed up for my mentorship session, so many of you bought the online course. So I'm pretty like sorted money wise, like I do have enough to survive this entire year. But the regular inflow of income that used to happen, that's not going to happen for a bit, and it's kind of scary and it's a little unnerving at the same time. I wanted to share this information because if some of you are going through this, I want you to know that I understand and I completely know what you're feeling. And it's normal, yeah. Matlab, we can't really do anything about this. The whole situation is such that it's completely out of our control, and I wish there was something we could do here, and I wish there was a way in which we could just get out of the situation. But it seems like, at least for now, it's not going to be that. So yeah, that's where we are. And because I've shared the good times with you in the past, it's also important for me to come down and share the bad side right now, because I genuinely treat you guys as family, and I honestly see you as members of my family, which is why I share my income, I share everything with you guys. And because of all this pressure and because of launching the course and everything, I wasn't able to upload as many videos as I would want to on YouTube, but I'm slowly starting to get back on track. And at the same time, also because I don't have my team right now, my team is, so my videographer and editor is actually based in Calcutta, so she's in Calcutta, so I am not able to shoot alone. Like, even whenever I try to shoot anything, I've just been feeling lost, because I feel like whenever I want to shoot something, I just don't know how to work alone anymore, and it feels so bad to admit this, because at like about a year and a half back, I used to do everything on my own, but now it's like I just am managing and I am not able to do any of this alone, and it feels really bad to admit this. But again, I want to be honest with you guys, so I'm trying. I posted about this on Instagram as well, and so many of you guys came and supported me, supported my decision, and said it's okay, take it slow, there's no rush, there's no need to rush, and all of that. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, but I'm still like really trying to create content as much as possible. I had 4 videos that I shot, but I scrapped them midway because I just wasn't happy with the quality. Even though I'm not a perfectionist, all of this is just kind of getting in my way, and I'm not able to understand how to make sense of this right now. That's the situation. But yeah, that's what it is, and I am going to make something else as well. So meri sabzi bhi ready hai. This is aloo gobi ki sabzi, and now I just have to make rotis and I have to make rice, and dal is ready. So yeah, that's my dinner for today, and we actually have started having dinner before the sun sets. So this is around like 6:30 in the evening, and we eat around this time. And yeah, that's all for today's vlog. I know it was kind of random and it was just random things, and but I wanted to come in here and share whatever's happening in my life and just share things with you. And yeah, I'm so excited for my online course, guys. If you are interested in starting your side hustle, if you want to take this lockdown era and actually do something of your own, then make sure that you consider this course out. If you would like to speak to somebody who's taken this course as well, I would be happy to put you in touch with one of my students. Everyone's been like super excited and happy in the community, and we're all trying to learn together, grow together. So if you're in the need for a community as well, I think we have a really good community on offer as a part of this course. So yeah, that's it. That's all that I have for today, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and